Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to invite friends to Temu. So first of all, you're just going to open the app. You're going to go onto your profile. From here you're just going to go onto settings. Then what you can do is you can share the app over here on whichever social media account you'd wish. That's one option. Let's say you wanted to add someone maybe for an affiliate link. So from here you're just gonna type in affiliate. Then you can go on to here. And you can invite one of your friends. If you wanna make a little bit of cash, you can just invite them from here. Okay guys, so that's basically two options you can use. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.